Yes, hello, welcome to Shareability Uganda. My name is Kaziva Pius. We shall look at the tongue and the skin under the topic, the human body, organs. Thank you for supporting Shareability Uganda. Continue sharing these materials to our young generation so that they get educated. Let us look at the human tongue. This is how the human tongue looks like. It's found in the mouth, between the upper and the lower jaws. It is used as a sense of organ for tasting. It rolls food into a bolus and pushes it to the gullet for swallowing. It is also used for talking. Well, the tongue is a sensory organ. The tongue is the sensory organ for tasting. It is the organ that helps us determine the taste of something we put in our mouth. It helps us to differentiate tastes of foods and other stuff. It helps to roll food into boluses and pushes it to the gullet for swallowing. The tongue helps to roll food into small boluses or small particles that are digestible by the digestive organs it helps to roll food into small particles or boluses that are digestible and pushes it into the gullet for swallowing. The tongue is also used for talking. It helps us to pronounce characters, therefore necessary in talking. Disorders of the tongue include burns, cuts, blisters, bites, loss of tasting. If you can't taste, if you have a failure in tasting, differentiating tastes of different foods, it is a disorder of the tongue. Burns like drinking hot water, cuts, e.g. putting sharp objects into our mouth, may lead to cuts on the tongue, therefore a disorder. Blisters, like infections on the tongue, can cause blisters, therefore disorders on the tongue. And also bites, assuming you're eating and then accidentally bite your tongue, it is a disorder of the tongue. Care for the tongue. How do we care for our tongues? Do not eat hot food. This may damage the taste buds and then lead to loss of tasting. Do not put sharp objects into the mouth. This may cause cuts on the tongues and therefore a tongue disorder. Therefore, one way of caring for our tongue is to not put objects in the mouth. Avoid too much smoking. When you smoke too much, remember the smoke is hot, therefore it may lead to kill the taste buds of the tongue, and therefore your tongue will be left without the ability of tasting. Let us look at another body organ, which is the skin. Look around your body. What do you see? The skin, that dark skin, or the brown skin, the light skin, the light skin. It is the largest organ of the body. When you look on your body, all you will see is the skin. All you will see is the skin. Therefore, the skin is the largest organ of the body. It is the external part of the body. The skin is used to remove sweat from the body and helps to regulate body temperature. How does it remove sweat from the body? How does it remove sweat or dirt from the body? By sweating, by passing out excess water. It regulates body temperature by sweating through growth of goose pimples when it is hot and cold, respectively. The skin prevents germs from entering our bodies. It guards us from germs. disease causing germs. It protects our internal organs from these germs. It protects our muscles from damage. The skin helps protect our muscles from physical damage. It is a sensory organ for feeling. When someone pinches you on the skin, we are able to taste that someone is pinching us because the skin is able to transmit these senses through the nervous system to the brain. Therefore, it helps us to feel. Disorders of the skin, the diseases and disorders of the skin include leprosy, ringworm, scabies, boils, and eczema. And then the disorders include cuts, blisters, skin rash, pimples, and dryness. Those are some of the diseases and disorders of the skin. How do we care for our skin? We can only care for our skin through bathing regularly using clean water and soap. Recommended soap, by the way, there are some soaps that contain a lot of acids that after using them they burn our skin, and also some chemicals that we apply on our skin, or some soaps that have a lot of chemicals that bleach our skin. These spoil our skin because they make the skin to lose its pigment, therefore it loses its original color. Apply Vaseline to keep the skin soft. Recommended Vaseline, good Vaseline, not Vaseline that contains a lot of chemicals. Some Vaseline contains bleaching chemicals, like I said, which leads to loss of skin pigment. Do not share underwears, towels, combs with affected people. Some people with skin rashes, please don't share your underwears and other clothes like towels with infected people. You will also get infected. Feeding on foods that contain vitamin C. Foods that contain vitamin C, most especially fruits, help the skin to shine, to look good, to look soft and smooth. And lastly, sitting under a sunshine, like between 7 to 8, 8:30, that kind of sunshine is good for the skin because it gives the skin what we call vitamin D. Well, that has been that for the skin and the tongue. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you for supporting Shareability Uganda. May God bless you.